Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video, and today I'm going to show you 15 of my favourite breaks that I've got in my AKAI collection, and also put a link in the description where you can grab breaks like this. Also wanted to say that some of these breaks are not quite labelled perfectly. I put question mark by a couple of the ones that I'm not sure about. If you could comment down below if you know the name of that break, just smash a comment, and also the number of the break, what you think that break is called, and I'll enter you into a prize draw to win a t-shirt like this. So without further ado, let's get into it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe if you want to see more AKAI, Amiga, old school equipment tutorials. Peace out.